At Oman, they have got a lot of interest. They have signed number of MOUs there concerning energy as well as railway line, and in the energy sector they have signed number of such agreements with Yemen. Okay, now all these places that I am talking about, subsequently when we talk of necklace of diamond, definitely we also have got our presence at most of the places where China has got its presence. All right, we will discuss that at the end of the lecture. So firstly we are dealing with where all is China. Having now, the most important part of East Africa is what? What has India done to counter China here? During G20, what did we do? We included the African Union in G20. It will be now G21 as such, and that was with an aim to ensure. Now, this is a big market that we have 46 countries there, and this is a big market. Apart from that, to woo them on our side. You see, what has happened is China has been wooing all these countries, giving them money and getting them in debt as such. So that is debt trap policy that we all know about. So as a part of G20, India played its card very well with the aim that we included G20 ke andar all these countries, East African, so they are in any case subsequently going to be on our side in a way. Just talk in terms of trade. Of course, everything that we start off is with economy in mind. All right. So having dealt with East Africa, and we've dealt with your Gulf of Aden and Red Sea and Strait of Hormuz, we come down to the next country, which is here. China is very close to Iran now because Iran is dead against which country? USA. They don't. So as such, because number of sanctions which have been put on Iran, basically for its nuclear activities. Yeah. So there being number of sanctions on Iran, Iran has gone closer to, naturally you got to be befriending the countries which are against America. So which are those countries? China, Russia, right? So Russia has recently, you must have read that Russia is intending to help Iran in nuclear technology, right? So that's what Russia is doing. So it can possibly give weapons also, and most important along with the weapon is the carrier. And carrier is important. Carrier meaning what? A missile on which the warhead is put. So that is another area where Iran would want help. Okay. So having spoken about Iran, let's go down to now. Iran mein kaun sa port hai? Which? Chabahar port. Hai na? So they have got access to that. So has India got. Coming on to Pakistan. Pakistan mein, which is the port? Gwadar port. Now Gwadar port is linked to which area? CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, right? Now where is this? What is the most crucial point where CPEC cannot be successful? Huh? Gilgit-Baltistan. Why? Because that is in POK, Pakistan Occupied Kashmir, and Pakistan had no right to give access to this area to Chinese, right? So CPEC goes through that, and that is why India has not joined this initiative, which China wanted India to join the CPEC, but we said no, right? So we are not part of it because it is going through our area, which they should not have been allowed to. All right. Apart from the CPEC, if you go upwards with the when you see the Chinese border here on top, there is a place called Wakhan border. What is that? Wakhan border. So when Talibanis took over Afghanistan, they said, why worry about all that? You can use this Wakhan border to really go in. So naturally, China is interested to have all options open. So as far as the BRI is concerned, Belt and Road Initiative, you can have, there is a area, a route which has been planned by China, which goes over this area. So there are areas like Kazakhstan. So they have got port there also, and there one airport is also there.